What happens inside your body when you eat only once a day? Biologically, your body is designed to move between two states, using food that just came in and using stored energy when food is not available. Most modern people never give the second system enough time to activate. Food keeps arriving, insulin keeps rising, and the body stays busy managing energy. But when you stop eating for many hours, the system begins to shift. In the first few hours after your meal, your body is not fasting yet. It is processing. Carbohydrates become glucose. As glucose enters the blood, your pancreas releases insulin. Insulin helps move energy into cells. Some is stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen. But while insulin is high, your body is mostly in storage mode. After several hours, incoming energy starts to fade. Blood sugar settles. Insulin comes down. And the body asks, where should energy come from now? This is when many people feel the first wave of hunger. But this is not starvation. It is the body noticing that easy fuel is no longer arriving. The liver releases stored glycogen to keep blood sugar stable. As the fasting window gets longer, glycogen becomes less available. The body begins to rely on stored fat. Fat cells release fatty acids, and the liver converts some into ketones. Ketones are an alternative fuel, especially useful for the brain. This is why some people report clearer focus during longer fasting. Your metabolism is learning how to switch fuels. Another process that may increase during fasting is cellular recycling, often called autophagy. Think of it as a cleanup system inside the cell. When nutrients are constantly coming in, the body is focused on building and storing. But when food is absent for longer periods, cells may begin breaking down older or damaged parts and reusing the material. This does not mean fasting magically repairs everything, but it shows that the body has maintenance systems that are influenced by nutrient availability. Fasting gives the body a different signal. But there is an important mistake many people make. They think eating one meal a day means they can eat anything in that one meal. But after a long fasting window, your body is sensitive to what comes next. If the meal is mostly sugar, refined flour, and low-quality fats, blood sugar may rise quickly. You may feel heavy, tired, or bloated. The meal should not be treated like a reward for suffering. It should be treated like building material. A better one-meal-a-day meal starts with enough protein. Protein gives the body amino acids for muscles, enzymes, and normal repair processes. Then add healthy fats, such as olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, or fatty fish if you eat fish. Then add a large amount of vegetables. Leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, legumes, fermented foods, and colorful plants can provide fiber, potassium, magnesium, and other micronutrients. When you eat only once, food quality matters much more. One meal has to carry the nutrition of the day. Eating one meal a day is also not something everyone should jump into suddenly. If your body is used to frequent meals, a very long fasting window may feel stressful at first. You may feel headaches, weakness, irritability, or strong cravings. Often, part of this comes from water and sodium loss as insulin drops. That is why many people do better by adapting gradually. First delaying breakfast, then shortening the eating window, then trying longer fasting only if the body responds well. The goal is not punishment. The goal is metabolic flexibility. And eating one meal a day is not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, teenagers, people with a history of eating disorders, people who are underweight, and people taking medication for diabetes or blood pressure should not try long fasting without medical guidance. If you have high stress, poor sleep, thyroid problems, or intense training demands, eating one meal a day may be too much pressure on the body. A healthy routine should support your life, not fight against it. So what really happens when you eat once a day? Your body moves from digestion to stored sugar to stored fat to deeper metabolic switching. Insulin drops, fat use may increase, ketones may rise, cellular cleanup systems may become more active. But the real power is not in starving yourself. The power is in giving your body clear signals: time to eat, time to digest, time to rest, and time to use stored energy. Eating one meal a day may help some people, but only when it is done carefully, gradually, and with real nutrition. This video is for general education only and is not medical advice.